Welcome back. I'm Synthesia and in this video, we'll delve into key generative AI models like ChatGPT 3, GPT 3.5, GPT 4, DALL-E 2 and Midjourney. We'll learn about their unique capabilities and how they have shaped up the AI landscape. First, let us look at GPTs. GPT 3, 3.5 and 4 were developed by OpenAI. GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 are in fact the successors of groundbreaking GPT 3. These models are capable of performing various tasks, including text generation, translation, and summarization. In fact, let's do one quick exercise. Take a longish email that you might have received, put it inside ChatGPT, and ask ChatGPT to summarize it. Have you done that already? Pause the video and do that. Great. Now that you have understood the capability of summarization of ChatGPT, let's go ahead. Let's look at DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 has also been developed by OpenAI. It generates high quality images from textual descriptions. Applications of DALL-E 2 include art, design, and advertising. In fact, I would go one step further and say that DALL-E 2 might be something that will break the creativity barrier that is required for creating great design. Now, anyone and everyone can create great design. In fact, it is literally the Microsoft Office moment for creating documents. In fact, tools like DALL-E 2, Midjourney are a revolutionary moment in human history, is what I would say. Big words, but I think they are true. Let's now look at Midjourney. Midjourney is again an image generating tool which has been developed by Microsoft. It is an advanced generative AI model for text, images and video as well. Midjourney powers Bing's visual search capabilities. Now, where can we apply these models? Let me take one example of media production. Generative AI models have revolutionized media production by automating tasks like video editing, script writing, and even voice acting. This has led to increasing efficiency and cost savings for content creators. Let me give you one example. Go on the internet and search for the site Synthesia. On Synthesia, you can create an AI video. Now, you might be wondering, how is that even possible? Well, that is possible because you can put a text and Synthesia merges the text with its live voice models and does lip syncing movements in sync with whatever the text is all about. Isn't it wonderful? I certainly think it's revolutionary. And that's exactly what I want you to try out. I want you to experiment with different generative AI models. Go to Bing, go to ChatGPT 3 or 3.5 or 4, whatever is available to you, and explore their capabilities. I will keep giving you a try it out section literally every time we are discussing something on AI. Then, once you have tried out your first experiences, share your experiences with the course community and discuss their potential applications in various industries in the comment section below. That's it for now. In the next video, we are going to discuss the goals and overview of the course. Stay tuned.